wondered what happens after we die. Is death the end, or is there hope beyond the grave? Today, we are exploring the Seventh-day Adventists' understanding of death and resurrection based on one of their 28 fundamental beliefs. The Adventists believe that when a person dies, they don't immediately go to heaven or hell. Instead, death is a state of unconscious sleep. The Bible calls it sleep because the dead are not aware of anything. They rest in the grave until the resurrection. This belief this belief emphasizes that death is not a punishment but a natural part of life. A pause. A waiting period until God's plan unfolds. But here's the hope. Jesus' resurrection is the key to understanding our own future. Just as Christ was raised from the dead, all who have died in him will also be raised, some to eternal life and others to eternal destruction. The resurrection is God's promise that death does not have the final word. Those who accept Jesus' gift of salvation will experience eternal life free from suffering and sin. This belief also reminds us to live faithfully, trusting in God's justice and His love. Death is not the end, but it's a temporary sleep before the glorious awakening promised by Christ's resurrection. So, in summary, death is a temporary unconscious state. Resurrection is God's promise of justice and eternal life. This hope shapes how Seventh day Adventists live today, faithful, hopeful, and ready for the life to come. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, like, share, and explore more about the SDA beliefs.